Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher or someone with 0 to 3 year of experience candidate and looking for a good opportunity in tech, this video can definitely help you. Today I have bought two strong opportunities, one from top consulting company and another one as a fully remote software role with good salary. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's start with the first one. The company is ZS and they are hiring for the role of Associate Platform Services. This role is available in Bangalore, Pune, and Gurugram, and it's a hybrid setup. Now, this is not a basic entry level coding job. This role is a mix of data, analytics, and consulting, which makes it very interesting. In this role, you will be working on complete project cycles, meaning from understanding business problems to actually building technical solutions for them. So, let's say a client has some business issues, your job will be to understand their requirements and convert them into technical solutions and work with your team to implement it. You will also be working with a lot of data, analyzing it, building models, and using insights to help companies make better decisions. And one important thing, this role also involves team collaboration and even some leadership exposure, where you might guide junior members or coordinate tasks. Now, coming to skills, they are expecting knowledge of Python and SQL, which is very important. And along with that, if you have worked on ETL tools like Hadoop, Spark, or similar technologies, that will be a big plus. Even basic understanding of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP can help you stand out. For eligibility, they are looking for students with computer science, engineering, or related degrees, and even fresher up to 3 years of experience can apply. For freshers, the salary for this role usually ranges between 11 to 13.5 LPA, which is actually very good for an entry level position in India. Now, coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Techbite Coders and they are hiring for the role of software engineer role, which is completely remote across India. Yes, fully remote, but there is one important thing. This is a night shift role, so you will be working in the evening to early morning schedule. Now, if you are okay with that, this can be a really good opportunity, especially because the salary range around 10 to 20 LPA, which is quite impressive. In this role, you will be working as a software developer, writing code, testing it, and deploying applications. You will also be attending agile meetings, collaborating with teams, and working on real time development. So, it's a proper hands on role where you will gain solid experience. Now, let's talk about skills. They are open to multiple technologies, so whether you know Java, Python, JavaScript, .NET, React, Angular, or PHP, you can fit into this role depending on your experience. However, this opening is open for 0 to 5 year of experience candidates, but they will prefer 1 to 2 year of development experience. And if you are fresher with strong projects, you can stand out. Since this is a night shift job, you will also be interacting with global teams, so communication becomes very important here. One more good thing is the benefits. They are offering bonuses, night shift allowance, health insurance, and paid vacations, and even flexible monthly benefits like gym membership or courses. So, yeah, these were the two quick opportunities. One is more focused on data, analytics, and consulting with ZS, and other one is high paying remote software engineering role with Techbite coders. Depending on your interest, whether you like data or development, you can choose accordingly. Make sure to check out the link in the description box. And for more such job updates, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.